Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have Minecraft Java and that it matches the server version. Mismatches cause connection errors. Next, locate the exact server address and port, written like address, port, copy it so you don't mistype. Once done, open Minecraft, sign into your Mojang or Microsoft account, and click Multiplayer from the main menu. You're moving immediately into the connection flow, not fiddling with settings yet. This prepares you to use Direct Connect straight away. You now choose Direct Connect on the multiplayer screen to paste the server address into the single field. If the server uses a custom port, include it after a colon. If not, leave it as just the host. After entering the exact address, press Join Server. You'll watch a loading sequence where Minecraft negotiates protocol, downloads server resource packs if enabled, and performs a handshake. If it stalls, don't panic. Connection logs are your next clue to what failed. Once Minecraft finishes the handshake and loads assets, you'll be placed into the server world and can interact normally. If you can't connect, make sure your game version matches the server, retype the address exactly including the port, and verify your firewall or router isn't blocking outbound Minecraft traffic. Some servers require port forwarding on the host side. If problems persist, restart the client and retry Direct Connect, and if needed, contact the server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.